Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here and I have this baby and I'm gonna do another look using the Relentless palette. So if you want to see, you know, what's bit I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, got this palette. This palette is so big. Got this palette, love it. I think I play with the greens already. So today I think we're gonna do some I think I'm gonna play with the purples today. Let's play with the purples today. So I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is from Makeup by Yolondo. Is the Y210, and I'm gonna go into Uncompromising. And I'm using my base by Makeup by Yolondo. I'm using the B shade. This brush is not a very good brush for like blending, but it's so good for like just applying, like kind of just doing your whatever shape you're going for. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna use a Y204. So I'm gonna go with Unsympathetic and Relentless, and then I think, yeah, and then back to Uncompromising. Just remember guys, when you creating looks like this, you do have to, you know, go in and then go out, and then, but trust the process, it will all come together. Like, I'm doing these looks, anybody can do these looks. Like, I taught myself to do makeup, so it's, I don't want to say it's not hard, but it's for the most part, it's practice. Practice, and then you're gonna get it. And then your first few times might be terrible. It's okay. I've been there. Time to cut the crease. Time to cut the crease. I do need to take off some of the purple that I've already kind of cleaned up. I don't know why I do cut crease. It takes me forever. But you know, in makeup, that's kind of how it works, right? That one thing that challenges you, you have to do it. I don't necessarily think it's hard. It's just, it takes a lot of time. It's already, what, 9 minutes and I'm still cutting my crease. And I do take my crease a little bit higher because of my eye shape. Okay, let's go ahead and cut the crease using my B base for that. I'm actually gonna try this brush. This is a CC9 for Makeup by Yolondo cut crease blush 9. Let's see how this works. But if it doesn't work, I go back to my brush that I know and love. The main issue with these brushes is trying to get them flat. But when you see you have that one brush that you got flat, have it. Don't ask me why I'm doing this dance. You know what I'm doing this dance. Put in some NYX glue. So we're gonna use this T48 from Makeup Shack, and I'm actually gonna go into these two shades. So I'm gonna go into Unstoppable and Hard. Unstoppable right here. Not sure why my voice kind of crackle up. And then we're gonna go into Hard. Now we're gonna go back to this purple. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and those lashes, Jesus Christ, are massive. But you know what? They're already on. So these are what? Stasi from Bomb Extensions. Yeah, those are huge. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some Milk Hydro Grip Primer on, because I am going out, so I want my base to last. See right here, I'm saving this for my lower lash line. I know, I just need to not pass it on my clothes. Cucumber Mint from Good and Gather. I think that's like a Target brand, but it's so good. So good, so good. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Shein foundation. I love this foundation. I actually ordered this new shade. It's khaki and it's like perfect. You know, you gotta make the ears match, because when people don't do that, or they end their foundation like right here, not a good look. Not a good look. Let's use one size. And let that dry a little bit. Not too much, because it is a drying formula. And I'm gonna use my foundation stick from Tresk. Actually got this in my BoxyCharm box and I really like it. I'm gonna use this F417 from Makeup by Yolondo to blend it out. So easy that blends, and then you get that shadow right here. I love like foundation sticks like this, because I can just use it for my contour stick and just blends. So look at this. Look at this. This palette is like so big, like it's taking my whole little area where I have all my stuff. But I still need it. This is like, I don't know how this eye is going with this green dress, but that's what's happening. Okay. Let's set it, let's set it, let's set it, and forget it. This is my Laura Mercier setting powder. But I have like a Beauty Bakery one that I like too. This is from Bare Minerals. It's the neutral translucent or neutral medium. let's do the lower lash line real quick. See, that's why I saved this right here. So today's Saturday after we record Sunday and Monday, and then I'm gonna take a break because I'm gonna get my brows redone, like, and then yeah. But I need to pre-record. This never ends. Okay, let us go in. I'm gonna go in with that first really dark purple. Uncompromising. This is like the, you know, the hardest part or the most time consuming. Whenever we finish the eye, the face is like pretty quick. Cause I know I go pretty heavy on my eye makeup, but my face makeup not so much. My neck hurts. So I'm actually gonna put a yellow in my inner corners. I'm really doing whatever I want to do. I will tell you guys, this is just makeup. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. I'm gonna use Gold Mine from Urban Decay. Now we're gonna go in with that. What is that gold? It's like a yellowish gold. Well, no, it's not yellowish gold, it's yellow. It's this shade right here called Merciless. I'm gonna put that in my inner corners, like, just to break down the purple a little bit. Perfect. So I'm done with Miss Relentless. I actually just got this palette from Makeup by Yolondo. This is her new bronzing / contour palette. So we're gonna go ahead and give her a whirl today. And this shade is light to medium. If you're my complexion or a little bit darker, you will be able to go ahead and use this palette because it's pretty dark. And the pens are huge. And I'm using a 752 from Makeup by Yolondo to put that on. I'm bronzing, but it's not even gonna matter because I'm going out and I'm gonna wear a mask. And we're gonna go ahead and use, thinking a little bit of Zane and this. I'm gonna mix these two shades. Ooh. I went a little bit crazy on the forehead, fixing that. So what should I do with the lip? Oh. I like how I'm asking you guys, like you're here with me. Let's do some mood from Dose of Colors. I just went blank. I feel like I need a little to make this not so pinky. Much better. Kind of like just, you know, just mute it a little bit. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. I already love this palette. Like, I just wanted to give, you know, I did green, I did purple, and I think I might do one more look with it on camera, maybe like a blue or maybe a red and yellow or blue and yellow, who knows. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.